In the strategic reading course, the students read a variety of texts, which I think is one of the strengths of the course. They read newspaper articles, they read poems, they read classic literature as well, some short stories, things like that. They get to work on really analyzing and synthesizing all of that information. So they'll read all the material together, and then they do creative projects in response to that, and they also get to practice some of their critical thinking about it, and we'll write some short essays. After strategic reading, my hope is that the students come out with the ability to practice putting together all these sources of information in their own lives. So with any luck, they can read a newspaper article about some sort of current event and think, maybe this relates to the Langston Hughes poem that I was reading in class the other day, and be able to articulate that to other people, to be able to put that together in their own writing. The thing that I most enjoy is being able to watch students start to make those connections on their own, really. When they volunteer, this made me think of this other thing, or when they say, oh, I was reading this short story and I think that that actually applies to something that happened to me last week in middle school, or I have a teacher like that, or when they get excited about actually writing in response and think, oh, I have something to say about that on my own, and they start to realize that literature isn't just like a dry, dead subject, it's something that actually affects them.